Tension had gripped Durgapur on Friday night after a second-year medical student from a private medical college had alleged that she was raped near the campus. Around 8:30 p.m. on Friday night, she had reportedly gone out with a male friend. The accused allegedly took her to the deserted stretch behind the hospital near a wooded area where the assault took place. 3 people have been arrested in this case. The search operation is underway as well for 2 more accused, and according to sources, all 3 arrested accused are local residents. Meanwhile, the BJP has alleged that the TMC miscreants are behind the rape and that Mamata Banerjee has failed to protect the women of Bengal. The TMC has replied saying that the BJP is politicizing the incident and that they never compromise with women's safety. The TMC has come out and denied any links with the incident, and CM Mamata Banerjee has also said that she will take stern action on the perpetrators. Listen in to these reactions on the story.
रात को तो खाने के लिए निकला था ना, वो लड़का बोला कि तो उसका दोस्त बोला कि वो खाने के लिए चलो बाहर जाएंगे, तो वो लड़की आए थे खाने के लिए, तो वो लड़का बोला कि चलो थोड़ा गेट के बाहर घूमने चलेंगे। मेरा लड़की बोला कि नहीं नहीं घूमने नहीं चलेंगे, खाना खा के चले जाएंगे। वो लड़का बोला कि थोड़ा घूमने चलेंगे, तो घूमने गए थे बाहर, गेट के बाहर। वो लड़का 3 लोग को आके पीछा किया, तो वो लड़का जो साथ ले गया था वो जंगल की तरफ भागा, तो मेरा लड़की भी इसके पीछे भागा। वो लड़का गायब हो गया, कहाँ छुप गया। मेरा लड़की को वो अकेला देख के वो 3 लोग ले गए और 2 लोग आ गए, जंगल में ले गए।
No women like our Didi, Bahin, sister, daughters, girl child are not safe under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. The police is reluctant. The function of the police is totally political biasness. The police agenda is to protect Mamata Banerjee and her tainted nephew and collect money and send to the Trinamool Congress.
वो उसके फ्रेंड के साथ खाने के लिए जा रहे थे और बीच में 3 लड़के आ गए जो छेड़छाड़ फोड़फाड़ किया, उसको बात किया, उसका फ़ोन छीन लिया। फ़ोन अभी भी वो लोग के पास है। फिर उसके बाद 2 लड़के आए, 2 लड़के के अंदर एक लड़के उसका पूरा रेप किया, गिरा के फेंक के ज़बरदस्ती। दूसरे वाला मॉलेस्टेट किया, ट्राई किया। बीच में उसका फ्रेंड आया, उसको उठा के लेके यहाँ पर अच्छा दिया। एंड देन शी बिकेम टू वीक, अनकॉन्शियस ऑलमोस्ट, देन शी वाज ब्रॉट।
दीदी अस्पताल पहुंचे सारी
पुलिस का काम है, वो कहाँ गया था, क्यों बाद में आया, क्या है वो पुलिस बोलेगा।
इस तरीके का किसी भी घटना कहीं पे भी होना जो है बहुत शर्मनाक है, बहुत ही दुखद है। और जिन दरिंदों ने ऐसे काम करते हैं उनका फास्ट कोर्ट में विचार होके जल्द से जल्द उनको सख्त से सख्त सज़ा मिले, इसके लिए हम कई दिनों से इसकी बात हम कर रहे हैं। और इसी की मुहिम जो है हमारे ऑनरेबल सीएम मैडम ने भी की है, तो बहुत जल्द ये जो मुजरिम हैं वो पकड़े जाएंगे।
More details. Ritik, take us to the latest as far as the investigation is concerned. We're learning that some arrests have been taken place as well, and there's politics surrounding the incident now.
Well, that's right. What we're learning that 3 persons have been arrested so far by police, and what we're also learning that these 3 people belongs to the same locality. Now the manhunt are on. The police is not ruling out possibility of involvement of some others, which is why massive such operations are on in Durgapur. And what we are also learning that the incident took place, the crime took place on Friday night. It was at a stone throw distance from that private medical college where the victim girl had gone to for study. Now, interrogations of the victim's friends are also on, and possibility of others' involvements are not ruling out, but it has triggered a massive political row, as we heard that the BJP leaders are coming down heavily and attacking, the ruling dispensation over the lack of security of women in the state of West Bengal. We are also learning the Abhaya Mancho, or the junior medic doctors of the Archikor, rape and horror case. They are heading towards Durgapur. They are going to meet to the victim parents today, and they are also about to, raise their voice over this heinous crime that took place in Durgapur, and that has went a shockwave across the state. Back to you.